In this video, I will show you how to build a village in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the requirements, you need to make sure you're not close to another village that you've built, and also you want to make sure you've got quite a bit of open land. So once you've found an appropriate place, the first thing you're going to want to do is build a village square. So to do this, open up the build menu, and underneath the utility section, if you just scroll down, you've got a section called village. So as you can see, to build a village square, it costs 10 wood and 10 granite. So you can get the wood from chopping down trees, and you can get granite from mining rocks. So what you want to do first is build your village square, and you can choose an icon and colour. Then go ahead and confirm the village square. So once that's done, the next thing you're going to want to do is build some accommodation, because what's going to happen is villagers are going to visit your village, and if you do have accommodation and put some beds in the accommodation, what's going to happen is you'll be able to elect villagers to stay in your village, and they will be able to help with tasks like collecting resources and fending off enemies. So to do that, once you've built your village square, you're going to have access in your build menu to some builds. To start with, this is normally just the simple shack. So what you want to do is select this from your build menu, choose where you want to put your simple shack. Then you want to go up to the blueprint and interact to start building up your shack. So you just want to go ahead and basically build up your shack. So once you've done this, you'll be able to put some beds in. And once you've put your beds in, you can then go ahead and you'll see villagers are going to start to visit your village. So here we are. As you can see, I'm just going to put the final roof on the shack. That is now complete, and what I'm going to do is just put a bed down. So you want to open up the build menu and come across to furniture, and then just go ahead and put a bed into the shack. So here is our first accommodation ready with our bed. Now I'm just going to go to the village square. As you can see, what's going to happen is you're going to get villagers come into your village. Now this does happen randomly, and what you're going to want to do is go over and speak to the villagers that come into your village. As you can see, the villager I've got is called Sunflower, and it says in the dialogue, "Hey there, I'm Sunflower, you can find me out in the fields." So you just want to go through and basically go through the dialogue. Once you've done that, just go up and speak to them again, and what you can do is actually invite them to stay in your village. So each villager that comes to your village does do different things. So for Sunflower, you can see she helps with foraging and fertilizer. So she does things like she'll collect raspberries, fruit, vines, and things like that. So I'm going to invite her to live into my village. And of course, you want to make sure you've got a bed available. So as you can see, this is now Sunflower's bed. So you just want to keep building beds so you've got enough beds for all your villagers. And what you can also do is upgrade your village. So if you actually go up and interact with your village square, you can see there's different levels for your village. At the moment, this is level 1. And as you can see, the perks we have is that villagers can equip a health charm, friendly explorers will visit the village, and there is an additional village which is allowed to stay as you progress through the levels. So if I upgrade, can see we're now at level 2, and by getting to level 2 you've now got the option for 5 new rewards to build, as well as foragers for hire. When you get to level 3 you can have an additional villager stay in your village, and so on and so forth. So that's a quick guide on how to go ahead and build a village in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.